आमी आज 116वी आमची एनिवर्सरी मनयली एंड इट इज आवर एन्युअल डे. एन्युअल डे म्हणटा तो कसो आसता, मेंबराचो एक डे आसता नॉर्मली टू टेक. इट्स लायक अ स्टॉक टेकिंग, जे कितें जालां फाटले एक वर्सा आनी फुडें कशें विचार करपाचो इंडस्ट्रीनी. ताका लागून आमी आज भोवमानादीक मुख्यमंत्री बाब डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताक आपयले, इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर आसा आनी एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आसा. म्हाका दिसता इंडस्ट्रीज आनी एनवायरमेंट एक मोठो भाग जाता इंडस्ट्रीचो आनी चेंबर ह्या नात्यान आमचें कर्तव्य जाता की आमची मेंबरशीप जे आमचे इश्यूज रेज करता, जे म्हत्वाचे जे कितें आज मुद्दे आसा आनी तातूंत 3-4 गोश्टी येता. एक म्हणजे ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस, जो प्रत्येक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टाक दिसता की ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिजनेस हातूंत खूब प्रोग्रेस जावचो. दुसरें म्हणजे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. गोंयचो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चराचो आढावो घेत जाल्यार इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आज कसो आसा एंड इज इट सपोर्टिंग इंडस्ट्री. तिसरो म्हणटा तो आज पर्यावरणाचे खूब विशय आसा. एनवायरमेंट म्हण, सस्टेनेबिलिटी म्हण, ग्रीनिंग ऑफ इकॉनॉमी म्हण, हाजेर आज आमच्या मंत्र्यांनी तांचे व्ह्यूज दिल्ले आसा गोंय सरकाराचे. आनी तशेंच चेंबर वो प्रेसिडेंट ह्या नात्यान आमी मुद्दे मांडिल्ले आसा. म्हाका दिसता अशा डिस्कशनान खुबशे मुद्दे सॉल्व जावंक शकता आनी ताकाच लागून हो आयचो दीस जो एक आढावो घेवंक आनी सजेशनां घेवंक हो आसा. म्हाका दिसता हातून मेंबरशिपाक पुरो फायदो जातलो आनी हांव आशा बाळगितां की अशेंच आमचें नेटवर्कींग जावन गोंया जी आमची एक स्पेशल स्टेटस आसा इंडस्ट्रीक, म्हणजे आमी कसली इंडस्ट्री एक्सेप्ट करना, अशी करून ज्यो इंडस्ट्री हांगा येवपाक जाय, नॉलेज बेज म्हण, एनवायरमेंटली सस्टेनेबल म्हण, हांव आशा बाळगिता तश्यो येवन गोंयचो एम्प्लॉयमेंटाचो विशय सुटपाक जाय आनी रेवेन्यू वाडपाक जाय. तो रेवेन्यू मागीर परतो इन्वेस्ट जावन लोकांच्या हिताक वापरपाची गरज आसा अशें हांव आज सांगता. I think future of industry, as I said, is bright in the knowledge sector that we are looking at. See, Goa's capacity is not to bear very heavy industries. But at the same time, we have mining. Mining should start. Tourism should be taken to the next level. So if we look at all these knowledge industry, tourism and mining, if we are able to give more thrust, support them with infrastructure development and proper incentives, I think then the future will look bright.
गोवा चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स हांचो आज 116वी तेंची एन्युअल जनरल बॉडी मिटींग आशिल्ली. तांचे प्रेसिडेंट बाब श्रीनिवास डेंपो हांकां कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता, तेंचे एंटायर बॉडीक कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता. गेली 116 वर्सां म्हणजे इंडस्ट्रीज फिल्डांत वॉट एवर द सजेशन जे जाय ते सरकाराक सातत्यान ते दिता आनी गव्हर्मेंटूय बी तेचे एक्सेप्ट करता. फाटलीं 5 वर्सां क्लोजली दे आर वर्किंग विथ द गव्हर्मेंट. नीव रिफॉर्म, ईज ऑफ डुईंग द बिजनेस, हाज्या खातीर सरकार तेंच्यांनी दिल्ली सजेशन ही सगळी टायम टू टायम आमी इम्प्लिमेंट केला आनी इन लॉंग रन वॉट एवर दे रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉर द ग्रीन इंडस्ट्री एंड टू ग्रीन जॉब क्रिएशन, हाज्या खातीर सरकार तांच्या बरोबर मेळून काम करतलें. थँक्यू.
As I said a little earlier, Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industries is commemorating its 116th anniversary, which augurs very well to a vibrant, strong industries and commerce organization, which has evolved itself into something which is helpful to the commerce happening in the state, to the industry in the state, and all stakeholders at large. I think it is a small seed that was planted 116 years ago, which has germinated into a huge banyan tree, offering all sorts of support and ecosystem which is friendly towards industry, helping industry develop in a big way and helping the economy grow as far as our beautiful state of Goa is concerned. And this with help forthcoming from the center as well. Government and the GCCI collaborating, working together for the better industrial atmosphere which is there for everyone to see.
Goa Chamber of Commerce is a premier body of not just the industry but all types of industry. It's pharma, then the shops and establishment, commerce, plus the manufacturing industry. So it's a premier body of industry in Goa. So and it's very well organized function today. For the last 2-3 years now, In fact, last 1.5 year, one of the major problems facing the industry was factories and boilers and IDC. Now, if you see the last 1.5 year, both these bodies have been having sea change in their way they operate because they have got real good people at the helm. At factories and boilers, we have Anand Pangam, and in IDC, we have Mr. Abhishek, the IS officer, and the changes are very beneficial for the industry. So we see a very positive change in the way things are moving, in the ease of doing business. The way the things are moving, because they are making systemic changes. It is not just one-off changes. The system is being controlled and corrected. Like in IDC, we see them. They've come out with standardized operating processes. Now they are going digital online to make it faceless. And similar way, even factories and boilers are thinking of working in the near future. So the thought processes and actions are already happening in that direction. And I'm sure that in the next 1 year, all these will bear the right results.
Well, it's great because we've had the presence of the Chief Minister, the Minister for Industries as well as the Minister for Environment. The Chamber has been working with the government very closely because it believes to work with the government than against it. What we do is we do a lot of drafts for advocacy of policies and all that. A lot of policies were drafted and submitted to the government, and as the result of that, we have seen some new trends emerging, especially in industries, trade and commerce as well as in logistics, in agriculture. And now the Chamber has just started its initiatives on tourism as well. It's a great day for us today because we meet the heads of the department, we have the government secretaries coming in, and we can have informal discussions and open the doors for more formal discussions as time goes by. So it's great to have a function like this. It's an annual function and it has been patronized by not only the government officials but also by the bureaucracy and the ministers. The future of industry, we have come out from the ashes after the COVID. We see it building. What we have to do is concentrate on ease of doing business. The ease of doing business and transparency, these are the two things that are going to define the future of business. Without this, it will be a difficult path ahead.
Well, as industrial head, we are doing we are completing 116 years this year, and that is the reason we could do a lot of things this year as well. In terms of passing a lot of initiatives have been taken, and the government is with us in all the initiatives we are doing, and they have been very, very, very helpful to the industry. So industry is growing in leaps and bounds, and we are very happy that we are of some assistance to the industry as a whole. Well, it's very bright. As you can see where the industry is, we are on the 5th position, and very soon I think as Goa also will be helping the industry of India to become on the 3rd position very soon. And that is very soon, I am sure, because we are going at a very high speed, you can see.